Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zoho Desk for unified sales and support, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Zoho Desk, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.zoho.com/desk and press enter. This will take you to the Zoho Desk homepage. Look for the sign up or free trial button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the selected button to proceed. You will be directed to a page where you can enter your details to create an account. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and password. After filling out the form, click on the Sign Up button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Check your email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, log in to your new Zoho Desk account. Next, navigate to the dashboard area of Zoho Desk. Look for the option to download the desktop or mobile app. If you are using a desktop, click on the download link for the app compatible with your operating system. Follow the prompts to complete the download. For mobile devices, visit the App Store relevant to your device, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Zoho Desk in the App Store. Once you find the app, click on the Install or Get button. Wait for the installation to complete on your device. After installation, open the Zoho Desk app. Log in using the credentials you created earlier. You are now ready to use Zoho Desk for unified sales and support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.